Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make brust. So let's begin without wasting any time. First we'll go to the tool option and then there we will select stretch and we will set our size and power, and then we will begin our work. After that we will go to draw option. There we will select an empty layer and we will select a brust image and we will set it into screen, and then we will adjust it by selecting the transform option. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up and share your opinions in the comment box below. After this we will select the eraser option and we will rub the excessive brust image and for a better look. So here it is. Then we will move to the tool option and we will crop the extra part, and then we will go to adjust for a better look. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up and share your opinions in the comment box below.